The untimely demise of Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi in a helicopter crash has added a complicated variable to the West Asian chessboard. Raisi, along with his foreign minister, was returning from a visit to Iran's East Azerbaijan province when their helicopter reportedly encountered bad weather and made a hard landing. While unconfirmed reports of foul play have emerged, implicating Israel, these speculations are unlikely to hold true. Israel is currently preoccupied with the situation in Gaza and internal issues within its cabinet. Moreover, it is highly improbable that Tel Aviv would escalate matters to such an unprecedented level by being involved in Raisi's death. Under Raisi's administration, Iran showcased a hardline posture, coordinating attacks on Israeli and Western interests through militias like Hezbollah in Lebanon, the Houthis in Yemen, and Iran-backed Shia militias in Iraq. These actions carried Tehran's unmistakable imprint. Earlier this year, Iranian missile strikes crossed borders into Pakistan and Iraq's Kurdistan region, demonstrating Raisi's determination to project Iran as a missile power. The barrage of missiles and drones launched against Israel in April was a calculated show of strength, causing minimal damage but sending a clear message. Raisi's death brings scrutiny to potential changes in this hardline stance. Although ultimate authority in Iran lies with Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei, power is also distributed across multiple institutions like the IRGC, the Guardian Council, and the Assembly of Experts. Within these institutions, different factions hold varying perspectives, making it challenging to predict which voices will gain prominence and influence Iran's policy direction. Opinions within the Iranian establishment are divided on critical issues, including the nuclear deal, social policies regarding women, and relations with major powers such as Saudi Arabia, the US, Russia, and China. These internal divisions are further influenced by regional actors, adding layers of complexity to Iran's strategic decisions. In the near term, Iran is likely to prioritize stability and continue existing policies under the guidance of Ayatollah Khamenei. In the medium term, the direction will depend on who becomes the next president of Iran. Tehran will aim to achieve or consolidate its strategic objectives without escalating regional tensions. In the long term, Iran's ambition to become a great power in West Asia will remain unwavering. For countries like India, which has experienced fluctuating relations with Iran, the post-Raisi era warrants close observation. India recently signed a long-term agreement to operate a terminal at the Iranian Chabahar port, a strategic and critical asset. Monitoring Iran's political landscape will be essential for India to navigate its diplomatic and economic interests effectively. The death of President Ebrahim Raisi marks a significant moment in West Asian politics as the region adjusts to this new reality. The impact on Iran's domestic and foreign policies will unfold, shaping the future of geopolitical dynamics in the Middle East.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.